It's working. Hello everyone. I'm going to share some personal, deep, dark secret with you people. Don't be judgy. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Monday. This is my shed. It's a disgrace. It has all kinds of camping gear, holiday stuff. Listen, what can I do? Thankfully now I have the camper, so a lot of the lightweight camping gear I can put into there, like sleeping bags and whatnot. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi, Mom. Look, Mama. Look. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say hi. Don't come in here. Don't come in here. I'm looking for the other grate to my... I found my power sander, which was in the camper in the shelf above the bed. Apparently it was covered up with some stuff, so I didn't see it. So when I cleaned that out, it was in there. I was like, what the heck? Ah, move, Mo, so I drop a chainsaw on you. This is a tent. Small tent for one of the children. This is an ice bag. This bag is great. You get one of these bags. It's a thermal bag you get from Walmart. It's the Coleman one you get out of the camping section. I will leave the bag in the description on my YouTube channel. At Desert Oasis. That's our YouTube channel. So this bag is awesome. When you put a bag of ice in here and you zip it, it will not leak, and that ice will stay ice and for like 3 days. The only thing I do is, like, I'll buy that big bag of ice, I'll put it in here, I'll leave it in the bag the ice came in, and then every day when I wake up from camp, I'll drain the excess water off, and then 3 days a bag of ice will last in this thing. It's awesome. I highly recommend it. It comes from Walmart in the camping section. It's the Coleman thermal bag. I love that. I'm going to put that in the camper. Oh, no. What am I looking for? Oh, I'm looking for my grate. These are the mats that go on our... camping cots. We have 2 of those. Usually we sleep on those before we get to RV in our tent. And those are really good. I love those. They're real soft. But the kids use the cots now in their tent. Anyway, this video will be an hour long if you guys watch me go through this crap. So, have a nice Monday. God bless you all. Don't forget to go to the YouTube and check out our YouTube channel at Desert Oasis under Teresa S. And like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. It really helps my channel to grow. You can keep up with the progress on the camper and the progress on the land as we start building our tiny homes up on the property. But I'm going to look through this and try to find the things that are supposed to go in the camper. And you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. And God bless.